Do you realize that whenever you learn something new, it is always overwhelming at first? There is a scientific explanation for this. Once you understand it, you will have a different perspective on learning new things. Our brain has many different rooms. When you're learning something new, you are simply putting boxes and boxes of information into one room. The end result is the room is stacked with many boxes and very disorganized. That's when and why we feel overwhelmed. When we sleep, our brain will automatically reorganize the information and sort them accordingly. That's when we feel that everything starts to make sense, and we start to have a mental image of how to get things done. If you are new to digital marketing or internet marketing and you feel overwhelmed, it's important that you understand that's normal. The next time you feel overwhelmed, don't stress and don't give up. If it's the written word, read it and then read it again. If it's a video, watch it over and over until it makes sense. In a little while, your brain will form a mental image of how to start piecing it all together. If you're ready to unlock your free viral vending machine membership with over-the-shoulder video training that walks you through a simple process for earning extra income working from home online, visit the new viralvendingmachine.com today. See you inside.